Wanna know how to explore through Flashback Pass in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So this is simply a season pass, as you can tell as well. So you can just simply see on the main menu right below, even past you'll be seeing Flashback Pass. So you can just simply select it. So now once you have selected Flashback Pass, you should be provided with a window right here or on your screen, where you can just simply purchase it right here. So you can see various rewards from normal chest to legendary ones, or with various avatars and gold and much more. You can also see free rewards that's highlighted as free right here. So if you go through every screen by selecting right icon, you can see these right here, and that's it. You can simply select purchase and you can purchase it through crystals, as you can see right here. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on bells for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.